Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Alibu. I don't know if you're representing. Got a next small package. I got this package from Gladgirl and Shopify. That Shopify collapsed. Yeah, so I want to go over there and check them out. So let's see. It's called unboxing video, right? I thought we were seeing unboxing. So in the box, I got this nice. Cheers to the new year and new lashes. Yay. Glad girl. Love this. Love this. Nice. 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 I also got this. Okay. So my infamous. Yeah. Okay. And then I got this brush. And wash and wing conditioner. I got this Gladgirl wash and wing conditioner. So mega chemicals are nothing, guys. Get your one from Gladgirl. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. So guys, as I said, my previous video, go watch my previous video on the 10 minute unboxing. Guys, share, like, follow me, okay, and stay tuned for my journey as a content creator / upcoming wig influencer. Bye.